Look, everyone running a startup, building a product, or trying to scale growth knows this feeling. That crushing frustration when you pour hours, days, months into user flows, and no matter what you tweak, conversions sit flat or barely move. You watch your funnel data and it's this confusing mess of drop-offs and dead ends, and it feels like you're stabbing in the dark, guessing what the hell your users actually want or what's turning them off. That pain? It's real and it's maddening because your gut screams, there's a better way, but you can't see it. Here's the brutal truth. Most growth strategies don't tell you. Traditional funnels, those linear, step-by-step things, weren't built for real people. They assume neat stages, but users don't behave like that. They jump back, skip steps, pause, browse elsewhere, come back. Your funnel can be a straight line as much as a roller coaster, chaotic and unpredictable. If you keep trying to squeeze your users into a one-path funnel, you're fighting your own product and your users' brains. That's where behavioral funnels come into the picture. Not just the clicks and views, but deep, raw behavioral data. Not just what users do, but how they move, react, and change course right inside your product. This is where insane, often ignored patterns live. The stuff that tells you who's about to convert, who's stuck, and who's about to bounce for good. If you think tracking clicks alone gives you the full picture, you're missing half the story. And that half could be the difference between a flop and explosive growth. So what do? First, forget A/B testing every tiny button, color or headline. Stop guessing at what will push your curve up. Instead, hunt for clusters of actual repeated behavioral paths. Look for sequences, small habits users repeat before converting, that most ignore because it's not obvious. These are your hidden gold mines. Find those micro journeys and design your entire funnel around them. Build features that align with these behaviors, not your assumptions. You want to catch them exactly where they hesitate, exactly when they get stuck and throw in the towel. Automate help, trigger nudges, simplify actions. This level of real-time reaction will make your funnel almost impossible to leave. Next, use session replays, heat maps, and funnels that combine touchpoints with emotions and friction points. Don't just track clicks. Track frustration signals, pauses, mouse jitters, erratic taps. These signals are screaming at you. I want to convert, but something's wrong here. Fix those exact moments first before anything else. This isn't a one-size-fits-all playbook. This is combat strategy tailored daily to your users' real struggles. Here's the kicker. Stop looking at users as a mass. Behavioral funnels let you segment by intent and timing, not just demographics. You discover that high intent but stuck, or casual explorers, need entirely different funnels. Then, build adaptive funnels that shift with user types. Treat your funnel like a living system, evolving every day with your users. If you're still treating your funnel like a static checklist, you're handing money to competitors who get this. Behavioral funnels are not a nice-to-have. They're the key to cracking the code of your highest converting user's path. Without this, you're just throwing spaghetti at the wall. So here's the order. Stop guessing. Start mapping real user behavior like it's your lifeline. Find those hidden paths. Catch friction early. Create adaptive funnels that speak directly to each user's state right now. Double down on the tech that lets you watch, learn, and react faster than your competition. This is how you go from simple funnel watchers to architects of conversion gravity, pulling users in with effortless flow. Don't wait for some shiny new tool or broader trend. Build these behavior-driven insights from what you already have. Be ruthless. Shed your old funnel assumptions like dead weight. This is your moment to stop settling for average metrics and start elevating every user touchpoint into a conversion trigger. This is how you lock in the highest converting path, the one your competitors can't see yet. If you want to win, truly win, the future of growth isn't about bigger ads or smarter hacks. It's about decoding and designing around the real paths your users live every second. Master that, and you don't just improve funnels. you rewrite the rules of growth itself. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to learn more.